In this lesson, I am going to show you how to create the write on text effect in Premiere Pro. First of all, you are going to create your text. After creating and aligning your text, you are going to create a transparent video. To do that, head over to your project library, right-click, New Item, and select Transparent Video. And then click and drag the transparent video right above the text style in your timeline. With the transparent video selected, you are going to head over to Effects and search for Write On. And then click and drag the Write On effect onto the transparent video, and then head over to Effects Controls. Within Effects Controls, you are going to select the Write On effect. Head over to Color and change the color to red, and you are going to squeeze the brush size a bit so it's a bit wider than the text. Now when you select the Write On effect and head over to your preview, you are going to see an anchor in the middle. Now that is basically your brush. So you are going to position the brush at the point where you want the Write On to start from. So right there, and then you are going to make sure that the size of the brush is slightly bigger than the width of the text, that is the wideness of the text. So I'm going to increase this a bit more. And then you're going to set stroke length to 5 seconds and then brush spacing to 0.001. Next, with your play here at the beginning of the clip, you are going to move 1 frame forward, select the Write On effect, and then change the position of the anchor. So basically what you are going to do is to trace the entire text. When you position the brush at a point, you are going to lock in that position by adding a keyframe and then continue with the trace. So at every turn or curve, make sure you have the position locked in. Add a keyframe, move 1 frame forward till every letter of the text is traced. Now when you are done with all that, you are going to head over to Effects and search for Track Matte Key. And then click and drag the Track Matte Key effect onto the text style. And then head over to Effects Controls. And then you are going to set mask to whatever track you have the transparent video. In this case, I have it on video 2. So that's it guys. Please like and subscribe.